Are you also having a salad bar restaurant? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chartflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your salad bar restaurant business. For example, you have a salad bar restaurant business in where your customers can view menu, place an order and get contact details. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chartflow, so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your salad bar restaurant business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customers instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of salad bar restaurant, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Green Fork Salad Bar. How can we help you today? While providing me three options, that is view menu, order a salad and call us. If I'll click on view menu, then you can see it will provide me the menu card of this salad bar restaurant. If I'll click on order a salad, then it will provide me one dish, that is protein power bowl, including their price, and one button, that is order now. If I'll click on this, then it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provide it. Then it will ask me for my address. So I am giving them one test address. Here I provide it. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that order confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for ordering with Green Fork Salad Bar. We have received your order and our chefs are already mixing up something fresh and delicious. We'll connect with you shortly to share the payment details. Now, if I'll click on call us, then it will provide me the contact details of this Green Fork Salad Bar. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your salad bar restaurant business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chartflow. Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right-hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chartflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chartflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chartflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chartflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our salad bar restaurant business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Salad Bar Restaurant. After that, now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a welcome message. Here I write it, while at the end of this message you can see I'll write that how can we help you today. So for answering this, I am providing some quick buttons for my customer. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box. Here I am providing them three buttons, that is view menu, order a salad and call us. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I write it here. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to view the menu of my salad bar restaurant, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of menu of my salad bar restaurant. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I am also writing one caption in this enter caption box, that is our menu. Here I write it, you can see I'll write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my customer in the bold format. After that, the next one is the order a salad. If my customer wants to order a salad from my salad bar restaurant, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media button. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of salad dish that are available in my salad bar restaurant. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now in this enter caption box, I am writing the name of this dish including the price. Here I write it, also giving them one button, that is order now. Here I provided. Now if my customer wants to order this protein power bowl from my salad bar restaurant, then they will click on this order now button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as ask question. Drag this question box here and writing a question as please provide your full name, as at first I want to know the name of my customer. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chartflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your customer, then you can write in this box. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of order now to this message. Now whenever my customer will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them about their address. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as please share your address. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as address. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I am not writing any validation message, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now, whenever my customer will provide me their full name as well as their address, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my response message. Here I write it, that is order confirmed. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my customer by their name. As different customers have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. Now the last one is the call us. If my customer wants to contact with me as they want the contact details of my salad bar restaurant business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my salad bar restaurant. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my customer in the bold format. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your salad bar restaurant business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customers like this. It will provide them menu card, get orders, and also share the contact information of your salad bar restaurant within a second. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chartflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chartflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chartflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.